A large compaction machine is being used before road construction. This small gadget can generate several mathematical portions with a single swipe. Iron chains are rolled on tires for better friction on slippery roads. This machine can peel off rubber coating from electric wires in just a pinch. An automatic dosa-making machine is being used in a food factory for bulk manufacturing. Potatoes are being unloaded from a truck with the help of a lifting crane. A helicopter can carry 100 to 400 gallons of water with this special bucket. A giant ship needs special techniques for launching it into the water. The upgraded digging machine can do its job so perfectly. This machine pours equal amounts of liquid, adjusted according to need. A bore well drilling machine is used to drill water wells and oil wells, reaching 200 to 400 feet in a single day. A special cloth cutting machine can cut bundles of clothes so easily. A forward agricultural field is being weighed with a mini tractor-operated machine. Train tracks are being made and finished with an engine-operated machine. This machine can crush large rocks into small pieces. A rusted nut and bolt that won't open is cut and removed with this specially designed tool. A smartly designed agricultural tool can cut onions at both ends. A lane harvesting machine cuts crops, prepares animal feed, and loads it into a container for easy transportation. A concrete smoothing machine levels the concrete layer. Raw metal is shaved to achieve a glass-like finish. A foreign machine can punch holes into metal so neatly. A motor-operated sharp arm can cut wood into parts. This smartly designed machine can make screw and nut bolt mounts. A lifting machine can unload package bundles so easily. A foreign machine can do labor work efficiently and save time in loading. Technology evolves daily, and these machines prove the future is already here. Which one will surprise you the most? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos.